Well, everybody, I'm off to the gym, but first, I have something to say to you. Excelsior! What do you think we should start this episode off with? I know! How about a good old interpretive song and dance? I think we did that already. Anything else? Let me think. I got it! That's right, loyal viewers. As you can tell, as I fast for the series, I would usually concoct an evil plan of my own, whether or not it would succeed. And I know just the one. That's right, loyal viewers. As you can tell, as I fast for the series, I would usually concoct an evil plan of my own, whether or not it would succeed. And I know just the one. Behold! The Emoji Movie, one of the most hated animated movies of recent memory. But now, let's see how many people will hate it even much, much more years later. 1 hour later. So, what do you think of the Emoji Movie? Do you hate it even more a few years later? As I alone intentioned? Well, the Emoji Movie may be one of the most hated animated movies of recent year per se, but honestly, I think very few people are actually gonna like this movie. Just for how bad it is. What? No. You're supposed to hate the Emoji Movie, not like it. Hey, even our own opinions on anything that's, well, bad can't even change, right? Food for thought. I'm surrounded by fools! You may have foiled me this time, but the next time I come up with an evil plan, you will not foil it. I shall succeed with my next plan. You will see. You will see. I bet we can find out what Gigaball is up to. What did you call me? Oh no, he's on to us. Run for it, Marty! Stop! Where do you think you're going? Well, as Eric Cartman once put it, I'm going home. Oh, and another thing? That's Gigabyte! Dr. Gigabyte! I swear this will become a running gag in this series. Okay, class, I have an important lecture to tell you. Oh no, it's the teach! In case you're obviously wondering, no, I'm not going to teach you any of the subjects like we do at school, but rather a lecture about something important in life and entertainment. Well, okay, tell away. Now then, as some of you may know, when a show becomes this popular within its first season, it gets renewed for another season. And when that season becomes very popular as well, it gets renewed for yet another season as well. But, as more seasons and episodes drop in as usual, what happens to the quality of that very popular show that used to be popular within the first season? Now, the way I see it, it could lead to either two directions. Either the series would have some new ideas to keep it fresh, or rehash the same ideas to mix to negative results, which may also affect the show's quality. Whether it be a good thing or a bad thing is completely up to you. I think you're talking about the infamous quantity over quality approach to the show's quality, because too much episodes and too much seasons of a very popular show could also affect the show's quality, which may either lead the show to be either trying to be good again or just being plain, well, bad. Any ideas? You know, now that you mention it, I suppose the show's quality could be affected by how many episodes and seasons there are, whether they be good, bad, meh, whatever, nada, zilch, nothing at all. Then I suppose the show could either lead to cancellation or just keep going, but with little to mixed results. That is a good point, Gribble. But out of all the shows that are affected by the aforementioned quantity over quality approach, would this show suffer the same fate? No. This season would be no ordinary different than the first season. In fact, it would be much better, yet deeper and more funnier than the second season. And I'm well aware of that. Not to mention there are also a bunch of stuff that we couldn't do in the first season, which we'll get to later. Alright, class dismissed. Now here's something that we couldn't do in the first season. Do our own take on the infamous unseen character trope in TV and movies. And everything else. I'll get you next time, got it? Next time. Now, back to the show. Incoming! Oh, now what? Wait a second. I'm not in this skit. Okay, dude. What do you want to warn me about anyway? Oh, nothing really. I always wanted to say that. What a waste of intensity. Shame on you. For the last time, I did not order a giant piano. You were saying? Alright, Gabe. Are you sure you're going to defuse the bomb without messing up? Of course. Trust me, Newell. With the power of tech-savory style type antics thingies, I will summon a giant piano, drop it onto the bomb, and put it down forever. Oh, here it comes. I knew this wouldn't work. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe.